Dear student, in this part of the presentation, let us try to understand about the concept of KYC. See, getting a bank account open is just a matter of providing certain details and funding the account once the formalities are done, and one can start using the account after the completion of the formalities. However, know your customer is the process of a business verifying the identity of its clients. The term is also used to refer to the bank regulation which governs these activities. See, know your customer processes are also employed by companies of all sizes for the purpose of ensuring their proposed agents, consultants, or distributors anti-bribery or anti-social compliances. Therefore, KYC is an important concept in the banking system, and maintenance of KYC is a mandatory activity which all banks will have to do. The objective of KYC guidelines is to prevent banks from being used intentionally or unintentionally by the criminal elements for money laundering activities. Related procedures of KYC also enable the banks to better understand their customers and their financial dealings. KYC helps them manage their risks properly. Banks usually frame their KYC policies incorporating a few important elements. Let me tell you that KYC, the full form is know your customer. So the basic idea is to know the customer properly. Anyway, banks frame the KYC policies with the following important elements. Number one is the customer policy. Number two is customer identification procedures. Number three is monitoring of transactions. And number four is risk management. There are certain general guidelines of KYC for the banks that banks should keep in mind that the information collected from the customer for the purpose of opening the account is to be treated as confidential, and details of these are not to be given for cross-selling or any other similar purposes. So banks should therefore ensure that information sought from the customer is relevant to the perceived risk and is not intrusive and is in conformity with the guidelines issued for this regard. Another guideline for KYC is that banks should ensure that any remittance of funds by way of demand draft, mail, telegraphic transfer, or any other mode, and issue of traveler's check for value of rupee above certain amount is effected by debit to the customer's account. A bank should also ensure that the provisions of Foreign Contribution Act or Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010, wherever applicable, are strictly adhered to. So thus, there are certain KYC guidelines which the banks will have to adhere. So the KYC procedure is to be completed by the banks while opening the accounts, and they need to maintain updated KYC for all the account holders. This is for the benefit of the bank, and this is to ensure that the bank accounts are used for proper purposes only and not for fraudulent purposes. Thank you.